In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Confluence, creating and organizing pages. First, open Confluence and log into your workspace. Once you're in, you'll land on your home or a dashboard that shows recent work. Make sure you're in the right workspace and have access to the space where you plan to create content. Before we build anything, let's cover the basic structure because it shapes how everything fits together. Confluence is organized into spaces, pages, and child pages. A space is like a container for a team or project. Inside each space, you create pages. Any page can have child pages beneath it, which helps you break complex topics into smaller related documents. The left sidebar usually shows the page tree for the space, so you can see where you are and how pages nest under one another. Now let's create a new page. Click the Create button. If you have access to multiple spaces, pick the space where the page should live, give your page a clear title, and confirm the location so it sits in the right place within the page tree. When you're ready, you can publish, and remember you can always come back to edit. Next, add your content. Type normal text like you would in a document. Use headings to structure information. Headings make your page easier to skim and improve search results. Insert tables to organize data clearly. Add links to other Confluence pages or external websites to connect related information. Include images or diagrams to illustrate a point. You can use the Insert toolbar or drag and drop supported files right into the editor. To move faster, use templates. When you click Create, you'll see a library of templates for common needs like meeting notes or project plans. Pick one, preview it, and tailor it to your team's workflow. Templates help maintain consistency and save time. Confluence is collaborative. Use comments to work with teammates. Add page comments for general feedback, or highlight a specific section and leave an inline comment for precise discussion. You can mention teammates to notify them and keep the conversation focused on the work at hand. Finally, keep everything organized with labels in the page tree. Add labels to your page to improve search and group-related content across spaces. In the sidebar, use the page tree to place pages correctly. Move a page to set its parent and build clear hierarchies. Consistent titles and thoughtful nesting make information easy to find later. That's it. Log in, understand the structure, create pages, enrich them with content, speed up with templates, collaborate through comments, and organize using labels and the page tree.